We are going to draw the most magical, whimsical rose today. So you just start in the center, and you wind around and around, barely giving it any thought at all. Okay? That's the beginning. Now, feel free to pause the video, and try it a couple times. At this point, I'm starting to use my brain a little bit more, creating points, as you can see. I just stop every now and then and add another petal. Do not be too consistent. Otherwise, your rose is going to be rigid. You don't want a rigid rose, not if you're going to be whimsical and romantic. This is a fun rose. So have some fun. You're going to love the next step. After we draw these leaves, okay, just random leaves, your rose can look totally different from this. You do your own thing. Let your hand be your guide. Okay, well, look at this. I got myself a smaller pencil, and I am just winding around everywhere. Over and over, like back and forth. I'm not even lifting my pencil most times. I'm just scribbling. I had a coffee. My hand is really shaky right now. And guess what? It still looks gorgeous. So if you have shaky hands, don't even worry. You can draw a beautiful rose. Just swoosh around. Follow the shapes. You don't have to stay on the lines. You're just adding some interest and depth. Okay, let's get ready to add some color. You don't have to, but I'm gonna start with a pink shade and just wind around. You can use pastels. Okay, now look. I'm gonna add a little bit of a warmer color, so a little bit orangey. It makes it come alive. Green leaves, and then a little bit more of a yellow green. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate.